Greetings, dear friends. I'm Olga Lazar, one of the co-founders and investors of the company Mihi. I am also an associate professor in the Department of Anesthesiology and have been training young specialists at the renowned Emory Hospital in the USA for over a quarter of a century. And today I am delighted to share with you the secrets behind the creation of our innovative products for your health. Fresh greens, raw fish, poorly purified water, or beloved pets, every day alone with them, invisible to the eye, but very dangerous foreign microorganisms and unwanted guests can enter our bodies. Settling inside, these unwanted organisms begin to quietly undermine our health. They take nutrients, release toxins, cause constant bloating, heaviness, unexplained skin rashes, and chronic fatigue that does not go away even after sleep. The solution is here, and it is completely natural. The Anti Parasite Formula from Mihi is a high-tech vegan herbal complex designed specifically for gently supporting the body's natural cleansing and harmonizing the digestive system. The formula is based on a powerful synergy of plant extracts, scientifically validated, minus pumpkin seed extract, rich in cucurbitacin, which gently creates unfavorable conditions for foreign microorganisms without disrupting the microflora. Berberine, a valuable plant alkaloid that supports metabolism, stimulates proper bile flow and helps control sugar balance. Grapefruit seed extract, a natural shield that supports local intestinal immunity and helps combat pathogenic bacteria. The formula is additionally enhanced with an extract of the moringa tree bark to support the antioxidant protection of cells, and a NAS extract, which helps to relieve bloating, reduce spasms, and provide absolute comfort in the gastrointestinal tract. It's very simple to take, just one capsule a day, 30 minutes before a meal with water. The recommended course is 1 month. As a result, you will experience lightness in your body, proper functioning of the gastrointestinal tract, clear skin, and a restoration of your internal resources. For maximum effect, combine this complex with the detox formula as part of the Smart Cleansing program from Mihi. Give your body a standard of healthcare. Choose smart self-care with Mihi.